The category of classifieds I mentioned earlier, and of course eBay is a well-known brand name in that space. Used to own PayPal, but they booted that out, listed it separately. It owns things like part of Craigslist. It's really where people go to sell specialty items, including cars and, you know, collectibles and all that sort of stuff. StubHub they own as well, which is like for theatre bookings. The market cap of the company after they did the unbundling of PayPal is 27.87 billion US dollars. Price to earnings ratio 18.08, not a dividend payer. So this is a consistent and profitable company. It's quite amusing to me, but there's some funny stuff you can buy on eBay, but it's astonishing. There's like a little vertical, you know, people that are interested in collecting, you know, antique swords will have their own little universe, and you'd be astonished at the value of the trade that goes on in there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, look, a company with a CEO, Devin Wenig, can't be that bad.
Good first name.
Good first name. Yeah, look, very stable, as you said. I think the spinning off of PayPal, some people have been highly critical of that. That was viewed as the jewel in the crown by many. So, you know, where to from there? And I think what you're seeing now is declining revenues, kind of single-digit revenue growth. And my worry here is where's the growth going to come from? In the other companies we've discussed, we've seen huge growth areas. What are they going to do here? It's a highly contested space. StubHub is probably the growth portion of the company.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, but lots. I'm concerned.
I'm always amused by the things that you're not allowed to sell on eBay. So like guns, drugs. Enriched uranium. I mean, why not? I'm sure people would want to buy enriched uranium. Used underwear is another thing you're not allowed to sell on.
There'll be probably a Bitcoin marketplace somewhere where you could get all of that.
That's on the dark web. You can go and trade that stuff. So interesting. You're not wild on this one. You're expecting margins to come under pressure.
Yeah, I mean, you just look at the last 4 or 5 years. Look, it's performed reasonably, but I'm just worried about that trend of revenue growth. There's also growing dissatisfaction on the fees they charge. You know, they charge a 10% fee on the selling of items, and a lot of their customers are now saying that's out of line. Amazon starts at 6%. So, you know, if they don't maintain their loyal customers, I think you're going to see that revenue continue to come under pressure.
Some of the technology items, of course, it was very revolutionary when they came with a sort of reverse auction type selling process, but that's a little bit more commonplace now. Okay, so you're going to go with not hot. It's not one, in fact, that I'm all that familiar with, and it always struck me as a bit of a surprise that they did the PayPal unbundling, because it seemed to fit quite well.
Exactly.
But in any event, okay, so it looks like we're going not hot on that one.